E part is all prime numbers are odd. So in the previous video we have already discussed the fact about the prime numbers, that 2 is the only prime number which is even, right? So according to that, all prime numbers are odd. This is false, right? Okay, let me change the marker. This is false. Why is this false? Because we know one prime number which is 2, which is an even number, right? F part is prime numbers do not have any factors. Is it correct? No, because what we have understood till now, prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors, right? And what are those two factors? One is number 1 and the other factor is the number itself, right? Okay, so prime numbers do not have any factors. This is also false, right? Okay, next is G part. Sum of two prime numbers is always even. Let's try. Sum of two prime numbers. Let's take two prime numbers, 2 and 3. Okay, let's try to add them. What we get is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, and 5 is what? 5 is an odd number, right? Let's take other example. Let's take 5 plus 7, right? 5 plus 7 is what? 12, right? And 12 is what? 12 is an even number. Okay, so can we say that the sum of two prime numbers can sometimes be odd and sometimes be even, right? So there is no particular trend in that. So the sum of two prime numbers is always even. This is also false, right? Okay, next. 2 is the only even prime number. We already know, right? Yeah. So this is true. This is true. Okay. I part. All even numbers are composite numbers. No, right? Because 2 is a prime number and this is even number as well. So all even numbers are not composite numbers. So this is false. You understood my point, right? 2 is an even number which is prime. So therefore all even numbers are composite numbers is false, right? So product of two even numbers is always even. Let's take two even numbers. Let's take 2 and 4. Okay, 2 fours are 8, which is even. Let's take some another example. Let's take 10 into 12, right? So it will be 120, which is again an even number, right? So from here we can say that product of two even numbers is always even, which is true, right? So third question is, the numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers, right? Both these numbers have same digit 1, right? 1 and 3, right? Both the numbers 13 and 31 are composed of the digits 1 and 3 only, right? So what they are saying is, find such pairs of prime numbers up to the number 100. So the first task is, as we have already discussed the sieve of Eratosthenes, right? If you haven't watched that video till now, the video number is 8.3.6. You can go and check out that video. There, using the sieve of Eratosthenes, we have found out all the prime numbers up to 100. Okay. So from that, your first step is to write down all the, you can write down all the factors up to, sorry, not the factors, all the prime numbers, all the prime numbers up to 100, right? From the sieve of Eratosthenes, you can write all the prime numbers up to 100. Okay, and then you have to find out all the all such prime number pairs which are composed of same digits. For example, 17 and 71. Okay, this is one pair. which is the number 17 and 71, both are composed of 1 and 7. 1 and 7, right? The second pair is 37 and 73. Okay, so both these numbers are also composed of 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Okay, so third such pair up to the numbers 100 is 79 and 97, because 79 and 97, both numbers are made up of 7 and 9. 7 and 9, simple, right? Let's move to next question. Question number 4 is, write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. For this question also, we can take the help of sieve of Eratosthenes. Otherwise, it is always better to remember all the prime numbers and composite numbers up to at least the number 50. Okay, so here we have to do what? We have to write down separately all the prime and composite numbers. So first of all, we will put prime. Here we will put all the prime numbers, right? Second will be composite. Here we will write all the composite numbers up to less than 20. Okay, so first we will take 0 and 1. No, these are not neither prime nor composite. Okay, so let's start with 2. 2 is what? 2 is a prime number. After that 3. 3 is also a prime number. Next comes 4. 4 is not a prime number, so it's a composite number. Then comes 5. 5 is a prime number. Then 6 is a composite number. Then 7. 7 is a prime number. Okay. After 7 we have 8. 8 is a composite number. Then comes 9 is also a composite number. And 10. 10 is also a composite number. Okay. After this, let's move to 11. 11 is a prime number. 12 is a composite number. 13 is a prime. 14 is a composite number. Okay. Then comes 15, which is also a composite number. 16 is also a composite number. Okay. Then comes 17. 17 is a prime number. 18. 18 is a composite number. 19 is a prime number. After that we have 20. But we have to include all the numbers which are less than 20. So we will consider only number up to 19. So this way we are done with this question.